This is an Apple MacBook Pro. The code name is A1286. It's a 17-inch. Now, in order to take the hard drive out, you have to flip the computer, and as you can see, there's a little cover here, and there's some kind of device here, some kind of button. Well, you push on one side and this thing comes off and it lifts this cover. Okay, there is no screws anywhere except here in the back, but these are for other things. Now this is your hard drive here, and you will need a little screwdriver, and there is this little bar here. I don't know if you can see it. There is a black bar here. It's a plastic bar, and there's two screws, one here, which I'm going to remove, and the other one on the other end, and that's what's holding the hard drive down. Okay, now once you have this, you have to this bar should come loose. The hard drive is loose, but there is another screw here from this side. This one is a metallic one, and so we're going to remove that one too. This one is a similar bar, and we're just going to take it out. See how it looks like? It's like this holds the hard drive in place. Okay, so one came out, then you can try to and just put the screwdriver in, take the hard drive out, and this is the hard drive. All you need to do is disconnect the power and the data cable, and here you are. That's your hard drive.